Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb liyakum to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'lu amr, commandment. Fi'lu amr, commandment. We are going to learn how to instruct others to do something in Arabic using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb liyakum to suit the pronouns below? Liyakum simply means he should stand up. He in Arabic is huwa, being the opposite of hiya, she. So how do we now change the verb liyakum to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb liyakum to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach alifun. So the verb liyakum will now become liakum, which means I should stand. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb liyakum to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach nunun. So the verb liyakum will now become linakum, which means we should stand. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb liyakum to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach lamun and yaun. So the verb liyakum will now become kum, which means stand up, commanding a single male person. Arba, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb liyakum to suit anti? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach yaun to the last letter. Remember, once yaun is attached, the letter before it must take kasra. As we know that yaun is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb liyakum will now become kumi. Now that our mimun is taking kasra, we can now retain our lost wawun. So the verb liyakum will now become kumi, which means stand up, commanding a single female person. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb liyakum to suit here? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb liyakum will now become litakum, which means she should stand up. Remember, we use yaun to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two, from three upward. Plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb kum can only be used to command a single male person to stand up. If there are two in number, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter of the verb kum. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb kum will now become kuma. Now that our mimun is taking fataha, we can now retain our lost wawun. A kum will now become kuma, which means you should both stand up. So if there are more than two, you attach wawun to the last letter of the verb kum. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. And now that our mimun is taking dhamma, we can now retain our lost wawun. So the verb kum will now become kumu. Kumu, which means you should all stand up, commanding a group of male persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now we talk about mu'annath. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb kumi can only be used to command a single female person to stand up. If there are two in number, use the same form of the verb kuma. If there are more than two, you go and replace yaun in kumi with nunun carrying fataha. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb kumi will now become kumna. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number 1. ليكم هاشم خارج الفصل. ليكم هاشم خارج الفصل. ليكم هاشم. Hashim should stand up. خارج الفصل, outside the classroom. I repeat. ليكم هاشم. Hashim should stand up. خارج الفصل, outside the classroom. اثنان, number 2. لتكن زينب أمام البيت. لتكن زينب أمام البيت. لتكن زينب. Zainab should stand أمام البيت, in front of the house. ثلاثة, number 3. كم يا خالد. كم, stand up. يا خالد. خالد. Now you are commanding Khalid directly. أربعة, number 4. كومي يا زينب. كومي يا زينب. كومي, stand up. يا زينب. زينب. خمسة, number 5. كوما يا أخويا. كوما يا أخويا. كوما, you should both stand up. يا أخويا, my brothers. How many brothers? 2 brothers. ستة, number 6. كومو يا إخوة. كومو, you should all stand up. يا إخوة, brothers. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبعة, number 7. كمنا هنالك يا أخوات. كمنا هنالك يا أخوات. كمنا, you should all stand up. هنالك, over there. You should all stand up there. يا أخوات, sisters. ثمانية, number 8. لأكم هنا. لأكم هنا. I should stand here. لأكم هنا. I should stand here. تسعة, number 9. لنكم هنا. لنكم هنا. We should stand here. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. Do not forget to click the link below to download any of my books right here at the comment section. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.